Hey there guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making potato cheese balls. First of all, if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. So now let's move towards the ingredients. First of all, I have boiled and grated potatoes 4. I have 2 medium onions chopped, 1 tablespoon of spring onion, red chili powder half teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, chicken powder 1.5 teaspoon, chaat masala a quarter teaspoon, and garam masala a quarter teaspoon. Also, I have green chilies 2 chopped. I have coriander leaves around 2 tablespoons, and I have capsicum almost half. So what we'll be doing here is we will be mixing all of our ingredients in the potato. I recommend mixing it with hands because spoons does not do the job hands does. Now these cheese balls are really good. You're gonna love them in your iftar. So I have my mixture ready. Now we have got some more ingredients here. I have mozzarella and cheddar cheese as required. I got them in cubes. Then I have breadcrumbs, and I have an egg. It's time to make the balls. So I'm taking a small portion of the mixture, of the potato mixture actually, and I'm going to flatten it so that I can stuff my cheese inside. I'm putting a cube of cheddar cheese and a cube of mozzarella cheese, and then I'm going to make the ball again. The next step is to coat our cheese balls. First, we'll be taking a cheese ball and coated it in egg. Use a fork to do the job. Then cover the cheese ball with breadcrumbs. Okay, so the cheese inside is in a great quantity, so we don't want our cheese to escape when we'll fry it. So for that, we'll be double coating our cheese balls. So here, as you can see, I'm going to double coat my cheese balls so that my cheese does not escape when it's melted. Also, the more you cover, the more crisp you'll have. It's time to fry. You're gonna put your cheese balls in a very low flame in hot oil. Because everything inside is just cooked, we just want our cheese to melt. Now as the color comes, you have to take it out, and your yummy cheese balls are now ready to serve. Do enjoy it in your iftar. You're gonna love it, by God. By the way, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and like, share and subscribe.